Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Delia from Delia's Space. First I want to say happy new year to everybody. Hopefully everybody has a very good 2016 and all your wishes and dreams come through. Okay, so I promised that I'd be back with this hair. So let me show you what it looks like now after 6 weeks of wear and tear. It has been through sweat, it has been through salt water and also chlorine water. All I have done to this hair is, from the time I washed it the last time, is just to braid it up. This is what it looks like now, really. See, it's still shiny, it's still going strong, but the roots though, they have grown out. So I'll be removing the hair. The ends are trashy, but as you know, when they come back to normal when you put it in salt water. This is the hair I'll be using. It's Expression Braid, 84 inches. This is it. This is what it looks like. That's texture, quite silky. So once I have done my hair, I'll show you again another style, another versatile crochet style. Okay, so I'm finished with my hair. It took me about 6 hours, 5.5, 6 hours to do. So yeah, this is the hair. Here it is. This is how I did the sides. There you go. Right, I didn't go all the way down to my edges because I am protecting my edges. This is the texture of the hair. There you go. See? No tangles, no nothing, quite shiny. All I did was blow dry the hair using my blow dryer. There are no chemicals in the hair whatsoever. Absolutely no chemicals. Let me show you the back. That's the back of the hair. See the movement? Wow, I just love it. So I'm going to let it stay this way straight for about a week or so to see how it handles being straight. All I'm going to do is braid it up or put it in a ponytail at night when I go to bed. And I will eventually curl it. These videos aren't meant to be tutorials. These are just suggestions as to what you can do with your hair when you are trying to protect your hair from heat or chemical styling. Right, this is just one very versatile style that you can use to protect your hair. There it is. Alright, I will come back again, probably with a review if I decide to curl it or not. And eventually I'm going to come with a video on how to properly lay your wigs so that they look natural. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.